everybody, this is the Bait Wench, and we are on the shrimp hunt, and in the tradition of T-Pain and the guy from Saturday Night Live, we've come up with the theme song for Sean. We're on a boat, we're setting out the trawls, and we're drinking some alcohol. We're on a boat, that's catching salty balls up there on the boat. Setting out the trawls, and we're on the shrimp hunt, and we're getting ready to head out and try to catch some shrimp. On the boat. Silly little song, but it's really cute. On the boat with Captain Salty Ball. This is the Bait Wench, and we are on the shrimp hunt on the boat. On the fucking boat, trying to stay afloat on the boat in the harbor. There's the boom, and there's Captain Salty Balls himself. And this is all part of the shrimping process, if you haven't seen any of our other clips. We're on the shrimp hunt. Make it or break it tonight. We're risking 5 cents if we don't catch enough shrimp. As they say on Deadliest Catch, dun 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 dun. Will they catch enough shrimp tonight to make the quota? On the boat. On the fucking boat, trying to stay afloat. We'll be back. Welcome to On the Shrimp Hunt with the Bait Wench and Captain Salty Ball.